What's going on, guys? What's going on, my people? And welcome back to Let's Unbox. So today here with me we have the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 tablet, and this is the Chinese version, just so you know. So this is a friendly budget tablet that promises great performance and premium features. So is it worth your money? Stick around and you're gonna make your decision at the end of the video. Before we go further, I'd like you guys to subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'd like to hear your views and opinion, and just in case you want me to review something that is you are thinking of buying, but before you buy you'd like to say test and see how it performs. Okay, now let's jump right into the unboxing of the video. So here is the box, as you can see. So well packaged, and that's what you'd expect. At the back here we have Adobe Atmos, Android 13, Qualcomm Dragon, just a few labels here and there. So let's fill it out. So inside the box we have the tablet itself, we also have the adapter, a few user menu clips and key for removing the SD card. You have the USB-C charging cable. Basically that's it. So inside the box you don't expect to find any protective case or screen protector, no M pen, it's not included in this packaging. So spoiler, you have to buy that separately if you need the pen. Yeah, so this tablet weighs about 470 grams and the dimensions are 155 by 166 by 7.1 millimeters. At the bottom of it you have two speakers, a USB-C port and the headphone jack. In the other side you have the volume button, micro USB port. You also get the microphone on the side, just for good sound quality input. There is no fingerprint scanner, unfortunately, so you have to rely on the old methods for security, which is patterns and so on. But we'll talk about security later. So the links to where you can get the tab are down below. Prices and variants of the tab, I'll leave them down below, because as I mentioned earlier, this is the Chinese version that I got. So if you need another version of the same tab, I'll leave a link down below. You can get this tablet on Amazon, AliExpress, Yandex Market, Ozone, Wildberries. Just to mention a few, I got mine from Yandex Market. I'll leave all those details in the link if you need it. Now let's talk about design. So the design for this tablet is very simple. So at the bottom you have the USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphones jack, two speakers as well. On the right side you have the volume button, microphone, and of course the USB slot for your expandable storage. Nothing more, just those basic stuff. So at the bottom right we have the Lenovo logo written on it. We have the camera, the speakers are tuned by Dolby Atmos, nothing more, nothing less. So at 470 grams, this tablet is 12% heavier than the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, but the weight distribution is excellent for this tablet. 42% of the mass of this tablet is in the lower third, which is very good for those portrait reading sessions. It has 58% bezel to screen ratio, which is functional but not the best in class. No sharp edges, as you can see, which is important for extended drawing sessions for those who like drawing. The lack of any IP ratings means that this tablet cannot be used for kitchen or outdoor use, or just exposure to water. Yeah, so be cautious about that, or put that in mind when purchasing this tablet. Now when it comes to sound, Lenovo has equipped this tablet with quad speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, two at the bottom and two at the top. As you can see, in testing, the audio output is clear or balanced with notable stereo separation here and there. But something you have to consider, the bass response is limited, which is normal, especially for tablets. At 8% volume, there is minimal distortion, making it suitable for podcasts and casual media consumption. But for those immense listening sessions, I would advise you to buy wired headphones or some good Bluetooth headphones. So you also get the customizable Dolby Atmos sound. You have dynamic, movie, and music. In my opinion, when you are using speakers, there's no big difference, but with headsets you notice a few minor differences when you use dynamic mode, movie mode, and music mode. But in my opinion, when you're using movie mode, you get the best sound quality because the sound is amplified and you get an all-round sound quality from both sides of the tablet. Now let's take a listen at how good these speakers are, and you let me know what you think in the comment section. Today I have this $5 watch. $5. Just look at this. $5 watch. I never imagined playing this car race on a watch at 3. Where? And it even has speakers. I don't know how good they are. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have the Galaxy Tab S9 that we're going to unbox, and I'll give you a quick review on what to expect in this tablet. Okay, so not to waste your time, when it comes to display, this tablet comes with an 11-inch IPS display with 1920 by 1200 screen ratio by 1200, and it has 90 Hz refresh rate, which is good for sharp text and accurate colors, covering about 8% of sRGB, with 400 nits peak brightness, which means that usable outdoors, although glares can be seen under direct sunlight. So you get all these different screen color mode. You can put warm, cool, standard, but I'd advise you to get to use the standard mode to get the best color calibration that you can get. Besides that, you also get the eye protection mode, which is very good for low light reading sessions. You can keep that on, or you can use the automatic mode, which adjusts brightness according to your outside light source. Let me just show you a few samples that I took of how good the display is. Besides that, the tablet also comes with the split screen mode, which you can use for those study/research sessions. As you can see here, I have my notes tab open, and at the bottom I have DeepSeek for some research here and there. You also get these amazing features where you can customize the screen to your liking, change wallpaper, and you get these cool charge animations which you can customize according to your liking, just as you can see. Okay, when it comes to security, this tablet gives you limited options. You only get the face unlock, which works very well in daylight but struggles in low light. Then the other one is just the traditional pin pattern or password. Besides that, you have nothing else. The absence of a fingerprint sensor is a notable omission, but understandable given the price. I mean, what you get, you get what you pay for. When it comes to the processor, this tablet comes with Android 13 and it's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, 8 cores, 2.58 GHz, and Adreno graphics processor 610, which is very good for those gaming. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB up to 1 TB expandable storage. It comes in two variants, 6 GB and 8 GB RAM. I got the one with 8 GB RAM and 128 storage. As of now, the tablet doesn't support updates, but the system works well and supports Google services for those wondering, since this is a Chinese version. So the tablet also supports PC mode for those extra multitasking activities. It also supports the Lenovo Pen, though at the moment I haven't yet bought. You can get it separately. I'll leave a link down below. You can also connect the Bluetooth keyboard, mouse. The tablet comes with Wi-Fi Series 5. When it comes to camera, you get the 8MP front and back camera and can shoot videos up to 1080p in 30 frames per second. In my opinion, the camera sucks, but I don't think everyone values the camera when it comes to tablets. So the tablet comes with a battery capacity of 7040 mAh, which after using it lasted for about 6 hours with Wi-Fi on and screen brightness at 100%. Which is very good in my opinion. You don't get that a lot, especially on a budget tablet like this. So my final view and summary of this video: who should buy the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad and why? So in my opinion, this tablet is very good, very good for students, especially for excellent note taking and ebooks, for casual users such as those who just want to stream music, videos, light gaming here and there. So it's also good for budget conscious buyers who should avoid it if that's the case. Okay, so those who are power users should avoid this tablet, such as those who need this tablet for video editing or heavy multitasking. This tablet is not good for you. Mobile gamers, those who want to play high-end games, this tablet is not good for you. So at its price point, the Xiaoxin Pad 2024 is a well-rounded performer with few compromises. If you need better performance, consider the Xiaoxin Pad Pro, but for most users, this is a smart buy and it can save you a few dollars here and there. So what's your take on this tablet? Leave a comment down below if you like the video and suggest what else you'd like to see, which tablet you'd like to see, and I'll get back to you. See you next time.